Hey guys, are you want to buy best waterproof USB cables? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best waterproof USB cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at Anope USB extension cable. The Anope One OFT USB 3.0 extension cable offers the perfect blend of convenience, durability, and performance. Its 10-foot length is ideal for gaming, streaming, or extending the reach of USB-A devices like surveillance cameras, reinforced with a special senior joint and durable nylon-braided design. It withstands over 20,000 bends, resisting wear and tear. The all-metal connector and aluminum alloy shell ensure long-lasting use and a premium feel. With USB 3.0 technology, it supports fast charging up to 2A and data transfer speeds up to 5 Gbps, 10x faster than USB 2.0 while remaining backward compatible. Gold-plated connectors and multiple shielding layers reduce interference and maintain signal clarity. Included sticky buckles help manage cable length and prevent tangling. Backed by reliable customer support, this extension cable is built for performance, style, and everyday convenience. Now our second product is XKCZ USB-C nylon cable, the XKCZ 4IN1. Fast charging cable is the ultimate all-in-one solution for powering and syncing all your devices. With 4 versatile ports, it's perfect for MacBooks, iPhones, iPads, and Android devices whether at home, in the office, on the road, or in the car, delivering an impressive 240 West output. It charges phones up to 85% in just 27 minutes and supports lightning-fast data transfer, moving 1 GB files in only 17 seconds. The built-in smart chip features a live wattage display, allowing you to monitor charging power in real time. Constructed with Titan alloy, the shell is 700% stronger and built to last over 10 years. It's also CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, making it ideal for travel. Finished with anti-tangle nylon braiding and tested for 100,000+ bends. This cable is as durable as it is versatile, a must-have for any tech setup. Our third product is Sungai Android Auto USB-C cable, the Sungai USB 3.1. Gen 2 cable delivers blazing fast 10 Gbps data transfer perfect for syncing HD movies, photos, and large files in seconds. It supports quick 3A charging with built-in 56,000 ohms resistor protection, keeping your devices safe. Designed for full Android Auto and iPhone 15 CarPlay compatibility. This nylon-braided cable is ideal for both car use and desktop syncing. Backward compatible with USB 3.0, 2.0. Supports a wide range of devices including Galaxy S23, S22, Pixel 7/6, iPad Pro, MacBooks, and more. Comes with a 1.5 feet cable, 12-month warranty, and lifetime support. Now number 4, Delilin USB extension cable. This 25 feet USB extension cable is the perfect companion for WYZE Cam, Pan V3, V2, V4, OG, and other WYZE models. Built with a durable, bold copper core, it ensures consistent power for uninterrupted surveillance. The flat cable design easily fits through tight spaces like doors and windows, reduces tangling, and comes with cable clips for neat installation. Its 7.5 meters length offers flexible placement without being restricted by outlet distance. Plus, the IPX7 waterproof silicone sleeve makes it ideal for outdoor use, no worries during rain or snow. Note: camera not included. And our last choice is CN-Linko USB 3.0 connector. The CN-Linko USB 3.0 connector offers a reliable solution for data transmission in harsh environments. Compatible with USB 3.0 and 2.0, It features an IP67 waterproof rating, making it ideal for outdoor use. Pair it with the YU USB 3 CPIO 1100 or any standard USB 3.0 Type-A male plug for a secure snap-locking connection. Its solid build ensures stable performance even in challenging conditions. The durable PBT housing resists fire, compression, explosions, and deformation, while the reinforced sheath protects the cable outlet. A rugged, dependable choice for industrial or outdoor setups. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.